A former pastry chef named Mina spotted a city starving for sustainable snacks and launched VerdeBite from a shared kitchen. She faced supply volatility, skeptical retailers, and cash flow quirks, yet she perfected a small batch model and secured a local grant. Her breakthrough came when she rewired her distribution by partnering with farmers and a micrologistics firm, slashing waste while doubling freshness. Mina built a brand by honest storytelling, rapid feedback loops, and choosing experimentation over perfect planning. Today, VerdeBite scales thoughtfully, proving resilience, clear metrics, and community trust turn risk into rocket fuel for impact lasting.